This is by far my favorite banana muffin recipe. We'll start with 1 3/4 cup flour. Add 1 1/2 cups sugar. I like using organic cane sugar. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon salt. A 1/4 cup flax meal is optional but tastes really good. Combine dry ingredients using a blending fork. I found mine on Amazon and I use it for everything: pie crust, cookie dough, muffins. I use it all the time. Add 1/2 cup vegetable oil. Two eggs. One-third cup buttermilk. I like using full-fat buttermilk, especially if you can find Bulgarian style. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Stir your eggs and buttermilk just a little before adding your bananas. One cup mashed ripe bananas. Make sure to use ripe bananas, it makes a better muffin. Add 3/4 cup chopped walnuts. Try not to overmix your batter. Stir just until blended. For the perfect size muffin, use a number 10 scoop and 12 tulip muffin liners. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 27 to 30 minutes. If you don't have the tulip cups, you can always use standard muffin cups. It'll make a few extra, you'll get about 20. Standard size muffins only need to bake about 22 minutes. Baking time will vary depending on your oven. For a printable recipe, check out my website at doublestopbakeshop.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the description box below for links to some of the products I used today. I hope you try this recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.